Yes, on the menu today, some roast fish. You don't know? And I go and talk my calalloo and I cut up. Make sure I take out from man. I don't know nothing about it, so I dip on here, deal with it. Some roast fish. Yeah. I read up. Sitting. So I'm done scale them off. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna wash them up good yet. I'm just done. Sitting. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna make a little bit of fish soup, so I'm gonna take out when I fish them. Fish tea, I should say. Yeah. My cousins think me a lie. She did message me and say a long time video this. So the fish them done season up. Yeah. Make it sit down for a while. And then you don't know. Roast them up. Sitting. Okay, so I'm gonna do my roast fish now. I season them of choice. Yeah. All purpose fish and Maggi and black pepper in my thing. So I'm gonna put some, what do you call it? The grace no go business there. You know? So maybe have some, what do you call them? This is cabbage and calalloo, which I have in my freezer. Calalloo in my freezer, so I have to take it out so I get shrink. You know? And pepper and everything there. Yeah, so I'm mixing all of them season there right now. So me get back to one time I'm done mixing. Alright, so I'm done mixing all of that wonderful flavor and stuff. Yeah, done mixing it. So the fish over here, so I done season up already and sitting. So now it's time for me to wrap them and put them in the oven. I already have the oven preheated on 350. So I'm gonna deal with all of that right now. Yeah man, I saw the fish them pretty down, well rubbed down and something. Everybody eating and rubbing and sitting. Yeah. Them pretty. Yeah man. All of the season them good up over there, so ready for wrap and roll and put them in something. So maybe we'll be back to show you when I put in the fish and all of that. Alright, so I move towards the table because I get a bigger space to deal with it. So the fish there, so the calalloo mixture over here, so. And plus you don't know, I have to have some butter and I got my file paper ready to start out right now. You understand? So I gotta drop on my first fish and something. So put on one of the big one. Right here, so. Right here, so. But I go put in it and then call me not take me. I guess I can multitask. Not sure. Man a dapper now. Man a real dapper. So I stuff him all up my head part up as I say. Meat I go everywhere. Yeah, sure. Or some of the veg, should have it everywhere. I don't know I go. I love when time anything I have whole heap of. You see me? I put on the butter here now. Put on look a bit more because I don't know fish. And think for up like 7. So that's how I look. Alright. So me come back to one time I done all of this, right? Alright. Alright, me done to my last fish. Yeah. Ready for finish up. Everything done. All wrap and ready. For go in the thing, for go and steam and roast. Alright, so man, ready, done. And everybody lock up and ready for roast. Is there something there, so? Yeah. Fish ready and going in put on the cover, you know, go and roast inside. Okay, so my fish done. With it over here, so yo, me have piece of ram in the oven roast. So I let it go and roast. I think I go finish up the pudding there in the meantime. So you check up to you later, you see me? Okay, so my fish done. With it over here, so yo, me have piece of ram in the oven roast. So I let it go and roast. I think I go finish up the pudding there in the meantime. So you check up to you later, you see me? So roast yam done and fish done. Yes, sir. I eat that. Okay, so the roast fish done. A piece of the roast yam. Yeah, all done for my hubby. Yep. Dinner start out, you know. Yeah. So roast fish and roast yam. Dinner ready. You don't know things set the shops, you see me? Roast fish with calalloo and stuff.